This is English final exam review. Eyes on you.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
Sharif?
Keeping the oceans quiet. Scientists have worried about saving whales for years, but now they have a new concern: protecting the animals' hearing. Long ago, most ocean noises came from waves and weather. In contrast, today the ocean is noticeably louder than in the past. Large machines and other man-made sources create much more noise pollution.
Kamil?
A whale's hearing is its most important sense. Whales use sound to communicate and they depend on their hearing to locate food and their families. Loud noises impact their hearing and affect their ability to use it.
Thank you. Continue, Muhammad Ali.
Scientists want to reduce noise pollution. They are making maps that show what and where the loud noises are. In the near future, they hope to limit noise levels allowed in oceans.
Okay. Okay, let's look at the bar graph. Do you see the bar graph here?
Yes.
Have you ever seen a graph like this before?
Yes.
Can you read it? Who can tell me how to read this bar graph?
Miss,
Yes, Jad.
we start from the names.
Okay.
Like the fishing boats there are less number of them are
So what does this tell us about?
ocean noise.
Okay, so it's labeled at the top, it has a title.
And it's man-made ocean noise.
Okay, so here at the bottom of the bar we have man-made ocean noise and we have specific fishing boats, tug and barge, container ship, tanker. So it's telling us which one is man-made, the noises. And then here, what does it tell us? The noise level, and they measure it in decibels, dB. Okay? Okay, so you have numbers here. So which has the lowest? Okay, and which has the highest?
Military.
So which is the loudest noise?
Military sonar.
Okay, thank you. What type of genre is this passage, Jad?
Expository text.
It's an expository text, and what does that mean?
It gives there are no characters, and it's also somehow scientific.
Okay, Hamad?
An expository text gives us facts about real life concerns.
Okay, so it gives us facts about real life concerns. Okay. Okay, what details can we circle that describes what scientists have been concerned about for years? Yes, Jamil.
Scientists are worried about saving whales for years.
So here we circle
Worried
scientists
have worried about saving whales for years.
have worried about saving whales. And what are they concerned about now? What are they concerned about now?
They should help whales.
From what? What are they concerned about now?
They want.
Yes?
They are concerned because protecting
To reduce
From
noise
what?
pollution. To reduce noise
to
pollution.
remove the pollution.
Okay, so they're concerned about noise pollution. Very good. Right. What are the words that help to show the word noticeable's meaning? What? Yes, Jan.
That it can be seen. It's obvious. It's obviously seen.
Okay, so is that written in the text?
No.
What's written in the text?
In contrast, today the ocean is noticeably louder than in the past.
So we would underline, long ago, noises came from waves and weather. In contrast, today, The ocean is louder than in the past. That's what would be underlined because all those sentences, those two together, help you figure out that noticeably means what? What does it mean?
Clearly.
Okay, clear or obvious? Obvious, okay. Type, how are ocean noises today different from the past? Yes, Kamel?
It's noticeably louder than in the past. It's louder.
Okay, so ocean noises these days are louder than in the past because of what?
Miss,
Yes, Sharif.
Because of large machines and other man-made sources create much more noise pollution.
So in the past, were there these what kind of noises did you hear in the past?
Waves.
Very good. So it's natural noises. Today,
man-made noises.
okay, there are man-made noises. Man-made noises. In the past,
There were only the waves and the ocean and the waves.
there were natural noises, right? Like the waves. All right, excellent. Okay, let's underline the sentence that tells us how ocean noises impact the whales. What sentence should we underline? What sentence should we underline? Yes, Kamil.
The whales depend on their hearing to locate food and their families.
Very good.
Noises.
Very good. So we would underline.
Loud noises impact their hearing and affect their ability to use it.
Very good. So we could underline whales use sound to communicate and they depend on it to locate food and their families. This tells us how the noises do impact the whales. So what does it mean? What does impact mean?
Impact means has a strong effect.
Yes, very good.
To have a strong effect on something or someone.
Very good. Okay, now let's look at the bar graph. Everyone go to that page. Can you tell me which is the name of the machine that creates the most ocean noise?
Military sonar.
Okay. Okay, very good, Jad.
It's the military sonar.
Military sonar.
Military sonar.
Do you think it bothers the animals?
Yes.
Okay, who can read the first one? Or would you just like to tell me the answers without raising your hands? Okay, it was a cool summer that started with a lemonade stand. To help us?
Ford.
Too fast. To buy the newest games for my Xbox. We made a blank of $60 the first week. Now, should you read the whole sentence before you guess the answer? Yes, please do, okay? I asked my teacher for blank. Guidance, and that means advice. Very good. On how to start, and the result or
Outcome.
excellent was great. We showed blank to our teacher by thanking her and telling her that we were grateful. We recycled the paper cups to help protect the earth and its surroundings. Okay, surrounding atmosphere. As for the lemons, since they
Decay.
very good, Haidar, decay on their own, we threw them into a compost. The customers were blank and surprised. Okay, we can use both. Astounded also can be used. And surprised at our nice decor, so they pose for pictures. Some people blank and strolled. And we thought that was kind of very good, Jamil. Okay, now I just want to ask you quickly, do you think that these words that I put in the blanks, do you think that these will be the only words? No. Why did I put the whole list of vocabulary words?
We can use only one word. We can use 2 words or more.
Okay, yes, you might have more than one possible.
And astounded.
Very good. It might be more than one possible. Should you only study this paragraph?
No.
This paragraph you should only study? No, you should study all the words. Don't you know them already?
Yes.
So we shouldn't focus too much on it, but you should know the words and how to use them and their meanings, how to use them in sentences. Can you use these words in your writing?
Yes.
Can you use them in your comprehension?
Yes.
That's why vocabulary is important. But the vocabulary category on the final exam is only worth like 2 points out of 20. So your focus should not be only on vocabulary, right?
Yes.
But the more vocabulary you have, the easier it is for you to express in the English language, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, can someone please read the directions? Yes, Sharif?
After each group of words, circle the letter of the strategy that would best correct the sentence error. My new model airplane kit.
So what's missing here?
A as a subject, B as a predicate, C make a complex sentence. It is B.
So we need a predicate. What's a predicate?
It's the action of the subject.
Okay, very good. So it's like part of the verb. So it doesn't have one in this sentence. So is it a complete sentence?
No.
No. Okay, very good. Next one, Kemen.
Inside the box on the kitchen table. A add a subject, B add a predicate, C add both subject and predicate. It's C add both subject and predicate.
Very good. Okay, the next one, number 3. Yes, Jamil.
Found all the kinds of small parts and pieces as a subject.
Excellent. Okay, number 4, Hamad.
There were no instructions. I didn't know what to do. Make a compound sentence.
Excellent. Okay, 5. Who can do 5? Malak?
I asked mom for help. She fixed things all the time. Add a
Semicolon. Very good. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next slide. Who can read the directions here? Go ahead, Haidar.
Read each sentence, circle the letter of the answer that shows the correct form of verb in parentheses. Nightfall while we were inside the theater. Night had fell, night had fallen, night had fallen, night had fallen.
Excellent. Very good. Okay. Who can do number 2?
We got to the store to pick up
Groceries.
groceries.
Went. Very good. Excellent. Okay, the next one. Majd.
My father and I think about making sandwich. A has thought, B had thought, C has think. B.
Excellent. Okay. Yes, my dear.
He leave his wallet at home earlier in the day. A had left, B has left, C had left. C.
Excellent. Okay, Hassan.
Luckily, I bring enough money to pay for the food. A brought, B bring, C has brought.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, let's look at the paragraph here. We have fragments and run-on sentences. I need you to help me correct this paragraph. Let's look at each sentence at a time. Someone read the first sentence and then we'll decide if there are mistakes. Yes, Sharif?
Proofread the paragraph on the lines below. Correct any fragments and run-on sentences. Use commas and conjunctions properly where needed. Our class would like to make a movie. We need a few supplies. Our class would like to make a movie. Comma, so we need a few supplies.
Okay.
Miss? Can we add but? but we need a few supplies.
Yes, you can. It's also correct. Okay, who can read the second sentence? Yes, Jamil?
A video camera and a computer. It is false. We use a video camera and a computer.
Or we need it.
Okay, very good. You can say we needed, or you can even change the whole sentence and say, our class would like to make a movie, period. We need a few supplies such as a video camera and a computer. So here we must insert here, we needed, or something else. So there are many answers to this. And then we would change A to a lowercase a. Let's go to the next sentence. Haidar, would you like to do it?
My classmates are writing a script. I will help with customs.
Should you add something to this sentence?
But I will help.
Okay, what else? And is good. And I will help out with costumes. The next one. Yes, Muhammad Ali.
We
We're at wants to be an actor.
want to be an actor someday. We can add here. My friend wants to be an actor someday.
Okay.
Some classmates.
Very good. Some classmates want. Okay. Some classmates wants. Or okay.
Or we can say we want to be an. I want to be an actor someday.
Okay. My friend wants to be an actor. I want to be an actor. Okay.
Mistake before here.
Which one?
My classmate will write a script and I will help out.
It's okay. It's also correct. The tenses are correct here. Okay. Can we do the next sentence? Jad?
Yes, all of us work on the scenery.
On the scenery. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, it's correct. Okay, the next sentence. You can go ahead and read it, Jad.
We wanted the room to look like a cave. We made rocks and boulders out of plaster. Miss, we must add a comma between them.
Okay, a comma and what word?
Miss, here.
What can we say?
Miss,
We wanted it to look like a cave.
Then,
Comma.
We made rocks, boulders out of plaster.
Okay, can we add so?
Yes, so we made rocks and boulders out of plaster.
Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the next sentence. Yes, Jamil?
Sheets with streaks of black and gray. We designed the room with black and gray sheets.
Okay, very good. So, okay, anything else you can do to this sentence? You can.
And use sheets of streaks and black and gray.
Okay, so we use sheets with streaks of black and gray.
Added on the wall sheet with streak of black and gray.
Of course, we can change it any which way as long as it's correct. Let's go to the last, the two sentences that are at the end. Yes, Kamil?
We will work all week long. It's correct.
We will work all week long, and then the next sentence.
Opening night of our blockbuster movie. We will work all week long. Come up of the opening.
For
The opening night of our blockbuster movie.
Okay, very good.
Can I do another sentence in the last sentence?
Of course you can.
Opening at night is a perfect idea to watch the blockbuster movie.
Okay, you changed the meaning a little bit, but that's okay since it's grammar.
Also, we can write Saturday is the opening night of our blockbuster movie.
Yes, you can say that too. Very good. Yes, Sharif, you want to say something?
So today is the opening of our blockbuster movie.
Okay, very good. All right, the next slide. Okay, most homes should have 1 or 2 toolboxes on hand in case of emergencies. Do you see mistakes here?
Yes. That's a question.
What mistake do you see?
Okay,
Majid. Majd. Sorry, Majd.
Tolboxes.
Very good. So we should write Tolboxes. Because once we see X, we must add?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Is there anything else wrong in this sentence?
Machines.
Emergencies. How should we write it? I.
IES.
Very good. So when we have a Y, what does it become in the plural form? IES. Excellent. Okay, the next sentence. Haidar, go ahead.
Hammers and screwdrivers are the most useful tools. Hammers, HAMMERS.
So hammers you should just add S. Okay, very good. Yes, Malak? A good
A good seat
set.
where wrenches, ES.
So when we have CH, we should add?
ES.
Excellent. Is helpful for fixing sinks and faucets.
Yes, can we?
Yes, Jamil.
Power tools such as drill and saws can solve many problems. Power tools have to be TOOLS.
Okay, such as drills and saws can solve many problems.
Yes.
Do you see another problem here?
Yes.
Okay, yes, Sharif?
Saws.
Saws. How should we spell it?
SAWS.
Okay, very good. Now, the next sentence, Muhammad Ali.
Some
Appliances.
run on batteries and can be used outdoors. Appliances. It must be CES,
Okay.
not double E. And also batteries, it must be IES.
Very good. All right. Who can read the next one? Yes, John.
And can be used
Outdoors.
Many hobby require an assortment of tools. A toolbox is one of the best ways to serve them.
Type. Before that, many hobby. Is hobby plural or singular? So it should be?
IES.
Okay, very good. Many hobbies require an assortment of tools. A toolbox is the best ways to store them. Yes, Jamil?
Toolbox ways is WAYS.
So we remove that. So when we have Y, we just add S. Do we add ES? No.
No, CH, yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, who can read the directions here? Go ahead.
Read each sentence, write the correct form of the verb in parentheses on the line provided. The town fair began earlier this morning. Began earlier, not begin.
Very good. Yes, Hassan.
We had baked goods last night. Made.
Excellent. Yes, Muhammad.
My sister and I drink 2 cups of juice. Drank.
Excellent. Who can do the next one? Yes, Malak. The cooks.
The cooks had gone to get more food. Gone.
Excellent, you guys. Yes, Muhammad Ali.
I'm glad I some snacks along. I brought.
Excellent.
Question.
Okay, yes.
Proofread the paragraph. Circle the mistakes on the lines below. Correct mistakes in verb tenses and spelling. The boat had left England 2 months earlier. 2 months earlier. The boat had left.
Excellent. Okay, Sharif, the next one.
Some of the ship's passengers had not eaten in days. Ate.
Had not what?
Had not ate.
Had not eaten.
Had not eaten.
So the past participle form of eat
Is eaten.
is eaten. The past form, the simple past, is ate. Okay? So because we have had, we must use the past participle form. Okay? Yes, Hassan?
They fought with one another over the little food they had. They fought.
Very good. Should it be they have or they had?
Yes.
And there's one more mistake.
Months is with an S. It has to be ES. Yes. Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, Malak? Many had gotten sick. Very good. Because we have had, we must use the past participle of the form of got, so it's gotten.
Say many got sick.
Many got sick. Who can tell me the directions of the next one? Majd, can you read the directions?
Pronoun in the parentheses that best completes the sentence. Our neighbor told us about a trip he or they are taking. He.
Our neighbors. Should we use singular or plural?
No, they.
Okay, why?
Because neighbor is plural.
Very good. Also, they and are is correct. For pronouns, we are talking about the neighbors. They are. We can never say he are, right? So there's subject-verb agreement here. And also...
Neighbors.
Exactly. Exactly. Very good. Okay, Muhammad?
They will visit their friends in Florida and stay with her or them for a week. With them.
Excellent. Okay, next one, Hassan.
They asked my sister if she would like to join them.
Excellent. Go ahead, next one, Cam.
My brother was upset that they did not ask him, not them.
Excellent. Okay, next one, Jamil.
My father suggests that we could go as a family.
Excellent. Malak?
Mom liked the idea and said that it or they would be fun.
Excellent. Okay, next one. Go ahead, Haidar.
They or we started making our plans that afternoon. But also we can say they started making our plans or we started making our plans.
We started our
but we can
plans.
also Miss, but it can be too, but because they're talking about themselves, it will be we.
Okay, very good. You are right. It could be both. It could be both if someone else were making your plans, but because they are talking about themselves, we're going to use we. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Yes, Sharif?
Our neighbors gave it or us some advice on day trips. Our neighbors gave us
Okay,
some advice on
very good. Excellent. Yes, Muhammad.
I was the only one who never went to Florida.
Okay.
Could I go with one?
Excellent.
We would be where?
Very good. Very good. Yes, Muhammad?
Everyone wished me or her well on my first trip.
So.
Me.
Very good. And how do we know because of which one? Which pronoun helps us? My. Excellent. Okay, let's proofread this paragraph. What kind of mistakes are we looking for?
pronoun usage and agreement.
Excellent. Okay, who can start? You want to start, Kamil?
Yeah. I saw the new movie and wanted to write about them. Not them,
It. Excellent. Okay, the next one.
Yeah.
Yes, Jamil.
My favorite actress is a girl, had a lead role and she did an excellent job.
Excellent. Yes, Sharif.
Most of the special effects were good, but some of it looked but some of it looked fake. Most of the special effects were good, but some of
Them, good. Okay. Yes, Malak.
My friend said that he is become the
Excellent. Okay, my friend said that they. Okay, could you do the last one again, Sharif?
we saw together. We saw it together and together.
Yeah, go ahead, read off the board.
We saw it together and none of you cared for the music. We saw it together and none of us.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Okay, let's look at this proofread. We have two more proofreads on this. Muhammad?
Proofread the paragraph, settle the mistakes on the line below, correct mistakes in the use of clauses, apostrophes, and comma.
Okay, go ahead.
Comma, the baseball legend, comma will be signed photos after today's game.
Okay.
Miss, can I continue?
Okay, Kamil, go ahead.
If you have a chance, come by to say hello to him.
Okay, next one. Yes, Sharif?
Favorite members of the team, which won last year's state championship, will join them.
Excellent. Next one. Yes.
Before Bib leaves the stadium, Suki is
Okay, before Bib leaves the stadium, Suki Yi, our mayor, will present him with a special.
The key of the city.
Excellent. Okay, the last one, Malak.
Channel 3, our local news station, will broadcast the event live.
Okay, we'll broadcast the event live.
Miss, here, current members of the team, which won last year's, who won last year's?
Oh, you're very right, Kamil. Excellent. Okay, so for this type of exercise, I won't give you the numbers like this. I won't give you the space here. I would not give you the space here. So I would just let you do it on the passage directly. So who can repeat and tell me where the commas should go? Who can repeat them all?
Miss, can I repeat them all?
Jamil.
Billy Bill Barker, the baseball legend,
Miss,
Barker, the baseball legend,
No.
And
Okay.
Will be
Signing.
photos after today's game. If you have a chance, come by to say hello to him. Current members of team which of the team which won last year's state championship will join this before Bill leaves the stadium the stadium
Very good.
Suki Yi, our mayor, will present him with a special award, the key to the city. Channel 3, our local news station, will broadcast the event
Live. Okay, let's do the part K quickly so we don't lose the slides.
Yeah.
Who can help me, Muhammad?
Proofread the paragraph, circle the mistakes on the line below, correct mistakes in subject verb agreement. My brother took his bike to
Keep it in the present tense.
my body takes
Okay.
it back to school. I need to fix my bike.
Okay.
The seat wobbles on bumpy road.
Okay, continue. Sharif.
The pedals slip a lot, and the chain is loose. I told my father.
Okay, I tell is correct.
I tell my father about the problems, and he offers to help and gets out his toolbox. Dad and I tighten many of the screws and bolts. I fill the tires with air, and Dad adjusts the chain. Now my brother and I enjoy riding to school together.
Excellent. Okay, the last one. Yes, Kamel, go ahead.
Circle the word in parentheses that best complete the sentence. Watch your step, the tour guide warned. Watch
The first one?
Y-O-U-R.
Excellent. Just give me the answer, please, Jad.
The first two.
The second one or the first one?
Second.
Okay. Next one, Muhammad.
Student avoided rocks and stones in the second one.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, Malak.
It is really
Muddy. Excellent. Excellent.
Can I do that?
Yes, Jamil.
That's because there's the second one.
Very good. There is.
So much.
Okay, number 6, Sharif.
The stream we saw spends most of its IT us.
Excellent. Next one.
A student asked, what are those things up there above us called? Z-T-H-E-R-E.
Okay, 8.
The first one.
They are. Okay. Next one, Kim.
The second one.
Okay.
You are looking.
Very good. Malak.
Second one. There's.
With their. And the students took photos with theirs. Excellent. Okay, great. So here's the writing part. Can someone please read the writing prompt? Can you read it, please, Kamil?
People don't realize that their everyday actions can impact the earth. The earth needs our help. Write a well-organized paragraph expressing why the planet is in danger. Include different ways we can help the earth.
Okay, now, please tell me what you have learned or what kind of texts we've read about the earth.
Yeah, Miss.
I think we read 2. Go ahead, Jamil.
Forest on fire.
Forest on fire. What was this about?
This was about that human didn't do the fire.
Okay.
First, it's the sun.
Okay, then it's naturally occurring fires.
And also, red schools feel that it's coming
Okay.
without human's purpose.
Okay, excellent. Okay, what others texts have we read?
We also read about Earth global warming.
Okay.
And it talk about how like it gets warm and how it gets cold, and how animals are trying to live in hot places and in cold places, like the polar bears in Antarctica. How it was like 10 years ago, and how it is now. Like
And-
there were more ice now. From the weather, there are less ice.
Yes, because of global warming. Excellent. Yes, can someone else? Jamil, let's give someone else a try. It's okay. Hassan?
And we take about the West Ground.
Oh, but I'm talking about the earth. Yes.
Miss, keeping the ocean quiet. This helps the whales to be good and not to be in danger.
Because of?
Helping the air their ears.
Their hearing?
From the sounds.
Yeah.
Their hearing is important because it
So
helps
what's wrong with the ocean being too loud? What is it called? What's it called, Muhammad Ali?
It's called the
Noise
noise
pollution.
pollution. The noise pollution, it damages the whale's hearing, which makes it cannot communicate with the other whales.
Okay. So what else did we read about? I think there's one more.
And now the scientists wanted to help the animals hearing because this is very important and
It helps the whales find their families and their food.
Okay, and there's one more text. Do you remember it? You had it in one of the weekly review sheets. It was in your practice book also. What was it about?
Fish.
Yes, the fish. Floods. Yes, the floods and fish, right? Okay, so what was that about?
About how floods affect the nature and let fish eat
So what was it talking about?
the ocean.
It was talking about two aspects.
It's about the fish that live that survive.
The advantages and of floods. Very good. Very good.
Miss also talked about how floods can help fish and how floods can't help.
Can kill other
Yes, so what the negative aspects or negative effects are. Very good.
Floods can help people and also they can harm people.
So in this type of paragraph, what can we talk about?
How to prevent global warming and pollution.
Okay, that's one. Pollution you know about without reading about. What about noise pollution? Is that something new you learned about?
No.
Okay, what about, it's new?
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay, noise pollution.
Noise pollution, water pollution, and air pollution.
So you know about these things. So these are some things you can write about. Also, you learned about what? Floods and global warming and forest fires that are naturally occurring. So these are naturally occurring phenomenon. So we are going to write telling about one of these things. Not going to talk about all of them. But choose one. Like you can, for example, choose floods. You can choose, for example, forest on fire. You can choose global warming. You can choose noise pollution.
About burning fuels but air pollution we can prevent.
And how we can help.
How can we prevent burning fuels and electricity? We can use solar electricity.
Excellent. There's a lot of things you learn in science that you can use for your English writing, right? Like hydropower, solar power. What other power did they use?
Wind power.
Wind. Very good. Okay.
Lemon
power, lemon batteries, yes.
The air pollution that from the cars are doing.
They have air pollution.
Okay, so are we ready to start to write?
Yes.
Okay.